Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where e to the power x square minus 1 is equal to x. Okay, we know that an exponential rule a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m over a to the power n. So apply this rule, we can write here e to the power x square over e to the power 1 is equal to x, or e to the power x square over e to the power 1, that means e is equal to x. Now multiplying both sides by e to the power negative x square, we can write here e to the power negative x square times e to the power x square over e is equal to x times e to the power negative x square. Or now here we will get e to the power negative x square plus x square over e is equal to x times e to the power negative x square. Now this cancel out this, so here we will get e to the power 0 over e is equal to x times e to the power negative x square, or e to the power 0, that means 1, so here we will get 1 over e is equal to x times e to the power negative x square. Or now changing side, we can write x times e to the power negative x square is equal to 1 over e. Now squaring both sides, we can write here x times e to the power negative x square all square is equal to 1 over e to the power 1 over e whole square. Or here we will get x square times e to the power negative 2x square is equal to 1 over e square. Or x square times e to the power negative 2x square. Now multiplying both sides by negative 2, we can write here negative 2 is equal to 1 over e square times negative 2. Or here we will get negative 2x square times e to the power negative 2x square is equal to negative 2 times e to the power negative 2. Now taking Lambert W function, we can write W of negative 2 times x square times e to the power negative 2x square is equal to W of negative 2 times e to the power negative 2. So here we will get negative 2x square is equal to negative 2. So we will get negative 2x square is equal to negative 2. Now divided both sides by negative 2, we can write here negative 2x square over negative 2 is equal to negative 2 over negative 2. So here we will get x square is equal to 1. Or taking square root on both sides, we can write here square root of x square is equal to square root of 1. So finally we will get x is equal to plus or minus 1. So we will get the value of x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to negative 1. Now say our questions is e to the power x square minus 1 is equal to x. E to the power x square minus 1 is equal to x. When x1 is equal to 1, we can write e to the power 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1. Or e to the power 1 square, that means 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. Or e to the power 0 is equal to 1, so 1 is equal to 1. So this is correct. Now when x is equal to negative 1, then we can write here e to the power negative 1 square minus 1 is equal to negative 1, or e to the power 1 minus 1 is equal to negative 1 or e to the power 0 is equal to negative 1. So 1 is not equal to negative 1, so this is rejected. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.